Transport for the Main International Airport Bangkok.
French fries taste is same everywhere, whether it's India or Thailand.
So we are at Bangkok airport. Hello everyone,
Hey!
welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we are going for a new destination. इस बार हम वियतनाम जा रहे हैं. So we have heard Vietnam is full of natural beauty. It's a beautiful country. So let's explore Vietnam with us. Stay tuned for more fun.
We are going there with lot of hopes. So yeah, stay tuned with us and be with us in Vietnam journey.
Hey everyone, so we have reached the Bangalore International Airport. यहाँ पे क्राउड डिसेंट है, यहाँ पे ज़्यादा रश नहीं है, अभी तक तो डिसेंट ही लग रहा है. The best part about Bangalore is it promotes greenery everywhere, even at the airports. Guys, Bangalore airport gives a very peaceful vibe as it is less crowdy and less noisy if we compare it with Delhi International Airport.
Hey guys, now we have reached to Bangkok. So हमारी जो flight है, that is a connecting flight via Bangkok. So it's 4:15 a.m. here, and now we are heading towards Vietnam. As ours is a connecting flight, we are going through an internal transfer at Bangkok airport. In this process, we have to undergo security check-in again. Baggage check-in is not required in this. Now it's time to explore Bangkok airport. Hey, we are at McD's और यहाँ पे कोल्ड ड्रिंक का साइज देख रहे हो.
Hey everyone, so we are at Bangkok airport. बैंकॉक का इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट हमें इंडिया के कंपैरेटिवली इतना कुछ ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं लगा. दिल्ली का इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट एंड बैंगलोर का इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट वाज फार बेटर देन द बैंकॉक इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट. लेट्स सी वियतनाम का इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट कैसे होता है. गाइस आपको बहुत ही एक यूनिक प्लेन दिखाते हैं. इट्स मेड अप ऑफ एंग्री बर्ड थीम.
सनराइज सीन इन प्लेन फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. अभी तक माउंटेन्स बीचेस पर ही देखा था. Hey, so finally we are here in Vietnam. I was bit sleepy.
So it's 9 o'clock in the morning in Vietnam. इंडिया के हिसाब से it's 7:30. So हमारी फ्लाइट इंडिया से चली थी अराउंड 11 o'clock. And अभी 9 o'clock as we mentioned as per Vietnam time we have reached here.
Yeah, everything was on time. And from Bangkok to Vietnam, turbulence was extreme. मतलब throughout a flight हिलती रही थी. Stay tuned for upcoming Masti in Vietnam and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.